Sick of skyrocketing power bills? It's time to take control with HP Energy. Let's be real, electricity bills are out of control. But what if you could cut them down for good? That's where HP Energy comes in. Not sure if solar is a fit for your home? Don't stress, we'll help you figure it out. No confusing jargon, just clear answers. You want a solar provider you can trust. That's us. With expert service and premium solar solutions, HP Energy makes switching simple. We design a custom solar system that fits your home and energy needs. Plus, we handle all approvals, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Now for the fun part, installation day. Our expert team gets your panels up and running in just a day or two. No stress, no mess. Before we flip the switch, we double check everything to make sure your system is safe, efficient, and built to last. And just like that, you're live. Your solar system is now generating clean energy, cutting your power bills, and even feeding energy back into the grid. So, why wait? Take control of your energy today with HP Energy. Click the link in the description box and let's power up your savings.